This video illustrates how to enter a 3 or 4 digit Volkswagen Audi radio code. If your vehicle battery becomes discharged or disconnected, use the following steps to unlock your radio from safe mode.
So, I've got it in safe mode here. Hold down mode and scan at the same time. Now I've got 1 and 1000 here. That's the 4 digits I'm going to be entering in. I'm going to be entering in the digits 1, 2, 7, 9. So first digit, 1 is fine. But you've got 3 or 4 digit radio codes. If I was entering.
Let's pause for a moment and look at what the difference is between entering a 3 or 4 digit radio code. The model shown in this video uses a 4-digit radio code. The first digit will always be the number 1, and that's automatically displayed when you begin to enter the radio code. In the case that you had a vehicle with a 3-digit radio code, you would turn on and off the first digit by pressing the number 1 once to turn it off, and once again to turn it on. If your radio does require a 3-digit radio code, once you've disabled the first digit by turning it off, pressing the number 1, you would then continue to enter the code as shown in the video using the remaining digits on the radio.
So first digit, 1 is fine. But you've got 3 or 4 digit radio codes. If I was entering a 3-digit code, just hit that once. I'm entering in 1. For the second digit, right here, hit that twice. Third digit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fourth digit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's my code. Hold down mode and scan again.
Well, it's a fascinating tale. Thanks for coming here and sharing it.
Thank you.
This video supplements a tech article located at bentleypublishers.com. You can find it by going to our online technical library and navigating to your vehicle's manufacturer.